Noticing plumbing issues often starts with subtle signs like water pressure changes or slow drains. In Dallas, weather and soil movement can affect your plumbing system unexpectedly. Common warning signs include clogged drains, toilet backups, water stains, and rising water bills. Musty smells or mold may point to hidden leaks, especially in older Dallas homes. DIY checks can help spot small problems, but recurring issues call for professional help. Routine inspections and early detection are key to protecting your home from costly damage.